thanks for tuning in to another great episode. Uh, as you can see here, we have belts all over the ground and all that. So basically, I put the old belt on when I put the engine together, and it works fine, but it squeaks super bad. You know, it's figured just because it's old or something. So I went and got a new belt from AutoZone, and we were having a hard time getting the right size, but we got the one, with AC and no pump, the air pump. And, it was working fine until I turned the AC on. Then when I turned the AC on, it popped the belt right off. I lost power steering. I lost everything. So then I went back and got a different number belt. I thought, well, maybe we'll try a different number. That one's same thing. So, this time we're going to try 40, 60, 957, and then I got a new tensioner. Maybe that's the problem. But that one seems pretty tight, so anyway, we're going to try it. And also what I wanted to mention is, if your throttle's sticking, like the butterfly sticking, I found out if you screw the idle screw out too far, the butterflies will hang up. So it'll feel like your gas pedal's like hung up. They stick a little bit. So make sure you don't screw that idle screw out too far, or they jam up. So you got to keep a little bit of load on it, because I screwed it out to try to get the idle to go down, and I screwed it out all the way, and it didn't turn out too good. But anyway, this is just going to be a quick video. That's probably what we're going to end up doing all week. So we're just going to throw the new belt on here and this tensioner, turn the AC on, and see what happens. So here we go. Alright, this is basically pretty easy here. If you did it enough times. That's clean enough.
I have my NRH2O casting.
So for NRH2O, the water park?
Thought I had a hole in when I picked
Oh,
it up.
NRH. Tensioner the whole time, because now the belt is a little bit too short. As you can see, the tensioner is kind of flopping, and yeah, so I'll have to go back tomorrow and get a little bit longer belt. So obviously it was the tensioner the whole time, so that's good news. But anyway, this is just a short little video. Hopefully y'all are having a good Monday. We'll try to produce videos all week. So far it ain't flopping off, but it's super tight, so of course it wouldn't flop off. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure and hit the thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe if it's your first time, and as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.